Hello, my dear students. Welcome to today's English class. Hope you all are keeping fine by the grace of Almighty. I am also keeping fine by the grace of Almighty God. My name's Ghosh Prashanto Kumar, Senior Teacher, English Bharateshwari Homes. Today, I will take a class on English second paper, especially on grammar for the students of class 9, 10 and 11. My dear students, in my earlier session, I told you why we are taking online classes. I mean, why we have launched online classes. I think all of you know the answer. We are taking online classes for the sake of our students. I mean, you all. So, my appeal is to you that all of you will follow the classes attentively and seriously. It is my optimism all of you will do this. I hope you will make the best use of your time staying at your respective homes. My dear students, here are two sentences. First one, when the mutton chop arrived, she took me to task. Next one, on the arrival of my mutton chop, she took me to task. Here, the meaning of the above sentences is same, but they are in two forms or different forms. Can you predict or guess what will be our today's lesson? Now, I would like to announce our today's lesson. Our today's lesson is transformation of sentences. Today, I will broadly discuss in this session how the sentences are changed or transformed from complex to simple. I expect your active participation on the lesson to make it fruitful. Let us enjoy the session. My dear students, transformation of sentences, complex to simple. If the subjects of the two clauses of a complex sentence are same and main verb exists or remains in both clauses, again, as since when are used before the subordinate clause, we have to change it into simple sentence according to the structure given below. Okay? What is our structure? In our structure, at first, I have used present participles form of verb of subordinate clause. Then rest part of that clause, that means subordinate clause, comma, then principal clause with subject. In complex, first one in complex, since the old sailor killed the albatross, he brought bad luck to the crew. In simple, I have written killing the albatross. The old sailor brought bad luck to the crew. You know what is albatross? Albatross is a big seabird. Okay? Next one, complex. When she jumped into a cab, she cried gaily. Jumping into a cab, she cried gaily. So, what have we done here? We have just used the present participles form of verb at first. Okay? Then the rest part of first clause or subordinate clause, then comma, then principal clause with subject. I think all of you will be able to do it easily and successfully. Next rule. If the subjects of the two clauses of a complex sentence are different and am, is, are, was, were, or have, has, had are used as main verb in subordinate clause, again the two clauses are connected with as, since, when. We have to change it into simple sentence according to the structure given below. Okay. So you should remember here the subjects of the two clauses are what? Different. That means subject is not same. See, so first one in complex, again first one structure, subject of the subordinate clause, then being or having, rest part of that clause, second clause. First one in complex sentence, since the weather was rough, we stayed at home. The weather being rough, we stayed at home. Next one in complex, when the sun had set, we returned home. In simple, the sun having set, we returned home. What have we done here? We have just, that means I have just used being instead of watch, and in next sentence having instead of had. Okay, my dear students, if you follow this rule, you will be very easily change the sentences from complex to simple if you see the sentences in this way. Okay, next one, complex sentence that indicates or creates reason or cause with its subordinate clause, and two clauses are added or connected to it as or since. It changed into simple sentence by using because of. First one in complex, as the man was ill, he could not attend the meeting. The man could not attend the meeting because of his illness. Again, because of his illness, the man could not attend the meeting. My dear students, I think all of you know about because of. Okay, I think whenever you did completing sentence, you have got this rule. Okay, so I think you will be easily change the sentences using because of. Next one, complex sentence joined by if expressing affirmative meaning is changed into simple sentence using by plus gerund. Now the question, what is gerund? I told it in my earlier session as well. Gerund is the combination of verb and noun. Adding ing after the present form of verb, we form gerund. So the sentence given in complex, first one, if you work hard, you will succeed in life. In simple, I have written, by working hard, you will succeed in life. Okay. Next one, in complex, if you read attentively, you can make a good result. By reading attentively, you can make a good result. My dear students, if you just follow the structure, that means by plus gerund, you will be able to do it very easily, I think so far. Next rule, if the two clauses of a complex sentence are connected to it so ... that, we have to use enough to when the second clause or principal clause remains in affirmative mode and to followed by infinitive to when the second clause remains in negative mode to change it into simple sentence. I repeat, if the two clauses of a complex sentence are connected to it so ... that, we have to use enough to when the second clause remains in affirmative mode and to followed by infinitive to when the second clause or principal clause remains in negative mode to change into simple sentence. My dear students, first one in complex, the man is so rich that he can help the poor. What can we see here? We see the second clause or the principal clause is in affirmative mode. That's why I have written in simple form, the man is rich enough to help the poor. Okay? Again, I repeat, the man is rich enough to help the poor. The next one in complex, the sailors were so thirsty that they could not speak. In simple, I have written, the sailors were too thirsty to speak. The reason is that in this sentence in complex, the second clause or the principal clause remains in negative mode. That's why I have written, the sailors were too thirsty to speak. My dear students, hopefully you will be able to do that. Just you should do some practice at home. Next rule. If the two clauses of a complex sentence are joined by though or although, we have to use in spite of or despite. I can also use here despite. I have not mentioned it here. If you want, you can use despite. But you should know, after despite, you cannot use of. Okay? But in spite of is popular. That's why I have used here in spite of, to change it into simple sentence. So in complex, first one, though he is poor, he is honest. In simple sentence I have written, in spite of his poverty, he is honest. Okay? Next one, in complex, though he has much money, he leads a simple life. In simple form I have written, in spite of his having much money, he leads a simple life. My dear students, I think all of you have done it whenever you did, I think, completing sentence. Okay? So, just you should practice and you will master this rule, and successfully you will be change the sentences from complex to simple. Okay. Now, the complex sentence that is connected with if plus negative form of verb or unless, we have to use without plus gerund to change it into simple sentence. Okay? So, in complex, it is given in complex, first one, if you do not follow the rules of health, you cannot maintain good health. In simple, I have written, without following the rules of health, you cannot maintain good health. Okay? So, here I can see the sentence is in negative mood. That means E plus negative form of verb is given here. That's why I have used without plus gerund. Okay? Next one, unless you work hard, you cannot succeed in life. I told you here we can use E plus negative form of verb or unless. So here, unless you work hard, you cannot succeed in life. In simple sentence I have written, without working hard, you cannot succeed in life. So my dear students, you can see the complex sentence in two form. That means if plus negative form of verb or unless. So if you see the sentences are in this form, you will change it in simple sentence by following the structure without plus gerund. Then everything will be okay. My dear students, now complex sentence that is connected with so that or in order that. It changed into simple sentence using infinitive. I mean to plus present form of verb or in order to. Okay. First one in complex, the girl works hard so that or in order that she can prosper in life. The girl works hard to or in order to prosper in life. Okay. The next rule, the next sentence, we eat so that or in order that we may live. We eat to live or we eat in order to live. My dear students, there are some complex sentences that are connected with relative pronoun. I have not discussed about them in this session. Okay. If I have or get time, I will describe or teach you in that on that rules in any of our next session. Okay. But I would like to say you that the rules that I have shown today, you should practice it at your home having concentration. If you do this, I think you will get positive result. Group work is not applicable as you are not present in the class, my dear students. Now another activity, assignment. Okay. In my earlier sessions, I gave you homework, but in this session, I am giving you assignment. So I have written here, the students are asked to write 5 compound sentences and then they are asked to change those sentences into complex sentences and simple sentences as their assignment. Okay. They have to show, that means who are they? That means our students, you. They have to show the assignment to the teacher concerned after coming back to the institution, and 15 marks is allotted for this activity. My dear students, I would like to say in Bengali, at first তোমরা 5টা কম্পাউন্ড সেন্টেন্স লিখবে যার যার মতো। সেই 5টা কম্পাউন্ড সেন্টেন্সের কমপ্লেক্স ফর্ম কি হয় তা লিখবে এবং তারপর তার সিম্পল ফর্ম কি হয় তা লিখবে, এনে কনসার্ন টিচারকে দেখাবে 15 নাম্বার মার্কসের উপর। এটা একটা তোমাদের অ্যাক্টিভিটি। সো আই থিঙ্ক all of you will do it, okay, and hopefully you will get full marks in this activity. Okay, my dear students, so to make our lesson fruitful, okay, you should practice to have good marks in the exam. My dear students, the programs that we are running, I mean online learning, it can be successful if you give importance on it. I request you to follow the classes having concentration. Okay, I think all of you will do it. May God keep you all safe and sound. Thank you all. Hope for the best and bye.